This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, launch the Google search bar or search engine in general, then type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, you gotta look for either official epicgames.com website or fortnite.com website. Either of those is fine. Just go for the one that pops up first. In here, practically accept the download and state that you would like to download the file anyway. Then launch it, grant Google Chrome or any other browser or search engine that you use this allow apps from this source or install unknown apps permission. Then confirm the Epic Games Store installation. Then launch it. Onwards, open the Fortnite game page. Tap at the blue install button, or well, it can be in other colors as well. Just the install button then, and wait for the game to download all necessary files. As you can see, once the Fortnite is ready to be installed, the system asks you to grant Epic Games Store application the same permission we granted Google Chrome in my case, which is install unknown apps. So let me do exactly that, then confirm the installation. Then, launch the game. And now the only thing that you will need to wait is for the Fortnite to download the update. That is almost 7 GB. And after this update will be downloaded and installed or deployed, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.